Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this lecture. So this lecture is for Udemy students only, and I'm going to show you how to find the resources for individual lectures because Udemy has changed the UI and some students have been complaining that they can't find the resources. So let's go over to Udemy. Okay, so I'm in one of my courses on Udemy, the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate course. And if you look down here, we can see the different sections. So we've got section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. If I go to section 4, we're going to have a bootstrap script here. If we scroll down, you'll be able to see if a lecture has a resource, it's got a little folder icon. If it doesn't have a resource associated with it, then it won't have that folder icon. And then all you need to do is click in here and then you can download the resources. If there are any resources missing in, if I say it's available in the resources section, you can't see it, please let us know either via LinkedIn or via Twitter. It's probably the best way to get in contact with us, or let us know on the A Cloud Guru discussion forums. So that's it for this lecture, everyone. Let's get started learning AWS.